Sometimes life just works out. Whatever happens, happens. It's your choice. Okay.
How's your score, May?
Bagsak. Maybe fate just didn't want to pass.
Hindi ko lang talaga nag-review.
Okay. I get it. But still, bahala na.
Eh di bahala.
Para lunch.
Have you noticed how Jammer is always trying to show off?
Akala mo kung sino matalino.
Yeah, I know. It's so annoying. Hindi ko alam kung ba't gusto niya maging real sister.
Excuse me, pinag-uusapan niyo ba ako? Narinig ko kasi pangalan ko eh.
Wala! We're just talking about you. Kung paano mo may gustong malamangan.
I'm just trying to do my best. Wala naman ako nakikita problema doon.
Whatever. Takot ka na talaga malamangan. Tara, alis na tayo. Tara.
Uy, napag-check mo daw tayo.
Uy, excited ako dyan. I am going to design a procedure ko.
Are you sure marami tayong gagawin?
Yeah, I'm sure. I send it to you later.
Sige, ano na ako.
Push! Sige, push nyo.
Uy! Hey, how's our project? You said you'll be sending it today.
Oh, I forgot. I do it later.
But you were excited about it before.
But now it feels boring. Maybe you can finish it?
You should said it earlier. Okay, I'll just finish it. I don't know why palagi na lang ako tumatapos ng project na to.
Sorry, I just lost motivation.
You're always like this, Laguno. You get all excited about the project, but then you lose your interest and leave me to do all the work.
I said I was sorry. Ano pang gusto mong gawin ko?
Nothing. I just make sure na malagay yung paalam matapos ng project na to.
Okay, I understand.